Well, yes, in the recent month, we have seen a wave of block deals and promoter stakes sales across the major companies. First is Wipro, wherein Wipro in June 2025, Ajim Premji Trust trims its holding in Wipro through the two major block deals. On June 9, 2025, they sold to more than 20 crore shares worth rupees 5,057 crore at 250 per share, which is equivalent to 1.7% stake of the company. And the buyers included Hasam Traders and Prazim Traders. And 2 days later, on June 11, the trust further sold more than 18 crore shares worth of rupees 4,675 crore at 258.9 per share, which is equivalent to 1.9% stake. Apart from this, Bajaj Finserv promoter has also sold their stake, where Bajaj Holding Investment has offloaded more than 1 crore shares for rupees 2,002 crore, which is equivalent to 0.6% stake, while Jamnalal Sons Private Limited sold 1.8 crore shares worth of rupees 3,503 crore at the same price, representing a 1.14% stake of the company. From the telecom space in Bharti Airtel, promoter entity Indian Continental Investments sold 6 crore shares, raising the massive 11,200 crore at 1871 per share, which is equivalent to 1% stake of the company. And meanwhile, in the beauty and fast fashion segment, early investor Harinder Pal Singh Bagga has trimmed his stake in Nykaa in two tranches. On July 3, he has sold 6 crore shares worth rupees 1,215 crore, representing a 2.3% stake of the company. And apart from this, on August 23, they have also sold 4 crore shares worth of rupees 851 crore, which is equivalent to 1.14 stake. And from the retail segment in Vishal Megawatt, Samay Service LLP has sold 90 crore shares of rupees more than 10,000 crore, which is equivalent to a 20% stake of the company. And in Dixon Technologies, the chairman Sunil Vachani has shares sold of rupees 2,200 crore. And lastly, from the healthcare segment, Apollo Hospital, recently managing director Sunita Reddy has sold approximately 19 lakh shares for rupees 1489 crore at 7,850 per share, which is equivalent to 1.3% stake.